Hi guys, I'm gonna open this fidget pack, so let's see what I got. Ooh, I got this like dinosaur rainbow poppet. Guys, don't you think that's cool? Cool. And you actually like get a chomp. Let's see what's next. Ooh, a pea popper. It's a darker color. That's so weird. And then here's a little star mochi. That one's cute. And then here's this. This is very hard to do. I actually have figured this thing out before. It took me a long time too. Wait.
What else is in there, dude?
Ooh, it's a little star one. I think it's supposed to be a sun or sunflower. And then here's this cool fidget spinner. And then, wait a minute, there's two of them. I think this one's supposed to be like a star thing, maybe, and then that one's supposed to be a Jimmy Neutron thing. And guys, do you know what this thing is? Comment down below on the comments. I don't know how to say it. And then here's this pink one. And I think they don't have any mouths. Oh, here's a package. And then here's a green one. I think they're supposed to be centipedes, just like something else. And then here's these two balls. And then I guess, let me grab them. Here's these four men. And I like this one because it's like an emoji. Okay, and then a wacky track. And then this thing. I forgot what they were called, but I guess I think they're called like finger things. I don't know what they're called. And then I got another one. And then these 3 marble mashes. I guess you can do that with them. Oh, that's cool. And then here's this bear mochi. I really like it because I think he's supposed to be sliding down something. Sliding down. And then next up, I didn't show you guys the other one. And then here's this little bunny one. It's very fat. Boop, 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 boop. And then here's another marble mash. Here's this, because I really wanted it, because watch. It's supposed to be a stress ball, but whoever gave me this, thank you. And also, how do you guys put it in here? You would have to like cut it out and like probably cut all the holes. I just think that's how you guys do it. And then my favorite one I really wanted to get this one. Oh, and here's the Simple Dimple. We had to just pause for a sec because this is the point I really wanted to get the pack because I love the Simple Dimple. I don't know why, but it's just like 2, so whenever you flip it around, it like isn't like a poppet. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. And this, I have actually 2 fidget packs, but my mom spoils me.